Yeah.
Today in our kitchen, I'll be showing you an easy and quick recipe of chicken tikka patties, with and without the oven. I'll be showing you how you can make crispy pies just like these without the oven as well. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First up, I've taken 1 chicken fillet. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You can add in the powder as well. Now I'm adding in the 2 tablespoons of chicken tikka masala and 1 pinch red food coloring, which is optional. If you do not have to add it, and 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. And I think so far it's so simple to make. And I'm just going to marinate these. I'm going to marinate it for about half an hour. So after half an hour, I'm going to drizzle some oil in the pan and I'm going to add in my chicken. Just make sure the temperature is not too high or too low, just in a medium flame or speed. So after about 10 minutes, my chicken is looking almost ready. I'm just going to stir it a bit more. Remember not to overcook it, as it's just small chicken cubes. And there we go, it's perfectly ready. And now my puff pastry, I'm just going to lay it flat on the counter. So my puff pastry is already rolled. So if yours is not a rolled one, you might have to roll it with a rolling pin. Now I'm going to cut it into equal squares. So that's how we make sure that all the squares are equal. Okay, now I've taken 1 square and I'm going to show it how we make our pie. I'm going to add some chicken. Just make more smaller pieces of the chicken as we're making the mini patties. And now in a diamond shape, I'm going to fold it. And you might want to add in the paste just so it sticks together, or you can just press it down with a hand. And there we go, as easy as that. There we go. I'm going to show you how to make another one. Just add in the chicken. And there we go. With the paste, I'm just going to fold it just so make sure it sticks down. And there we go, as simple as that. And this diamond shape just makes it look so sophisticated. And you can see I've made so many chicken pies. And you can also freeze these and you can just make them later. I'm going to egg wash them. I've just taken the yolk, as just the yolk helps it get a better color. I'm adding sesame seeds, which is totally optional. You do not have to do that, but I just like my pies with the sesame seeds. Now I'm going to bake these for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Now the second way without the oven is in the air fryer, about 15 minutes only at 160 degrees. So just open the air fryer. Just carefully place the pies. You can spray it with a non-stick spray if you like. And with the air fryer, it's just as good as the oven. I think with the air fryer, it's even better than the oven. So you just have to wait and see how it comes out. So I'm going to leave it in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see the pies have turned really golden brown. They're looking so delicious, and you can see it just looks as good as the oven. And these pies have also been baked. You can't really tell the difference between the oven pies and without the oven pies. So with and without the oven is great. You can see how great the pies are looking. It's a really easy and quick recipe to try at home. Please do let me know how you guys found this recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time.